Enjoy discovering the amazing therapeutic and relaxing effects of essential oils with the Gateway Workshop's Aromatherapy for Beginners online course. This online course is designed to give you an insight into the delights of aromatherapy and how you could use them with yourself and on family and friends. You'll learn everything from the history of aromatherapy to blending and utilizing your own oil mixtures. No previous experience is required. And what's more, you'll even receive a certificate on completion. We've trained thousands of satisfied students who work at their own pace from the comfort of their own home. You'll even have an expert tutor on hand to help whenever you need it, answering any questions you may have. When you book with us, you're safe in the knowledge that you've chosen a school with extremely high standards and a proven long-term track record of success. So, why not be part of our award-winning school and train with us today?